Conditional statements in C programming. What is conditional statements? Conditional statements are those which helps us to make decision based on certain conditions. Followings are the types of conditional statements. If statements. If-else statements. Nested if-else statements. If-else-if or else-if ladder statements. Switch statements. What is if statements? It is the programming conditional statement which is used to execute the code when if condition is true. If statement, syntax. If expression. Statements semicolon / code to be executed. Please look at the example and output. Example is about checking for eligibility of person for casting a vote. So my condition if equals 18, what is if ... else statements? Simply it is the extension of if statements which is used to execute the code if the condition is true or false. If ... else. Statements syntax. If expression. Statements. Else. Statement. Look at the example. What is nested if ... else statement? The condition in C programming which is used when program requires more than one test expressions. Means when program required more than one if ... else statement. Nested if ... else statement syntax. If expression 1. If expression 2. Statement 1. Else, statement 2. Else, statement 3. Look at the example. Ladder else if statement. Condition in C programming which is used to test the set of condition in sequence. If-else if statement syntax. If expression 1. Statement 1. Else if, expression 2. Statement 2. Else if, expression 3. Statement 3. Else, statement 4. Look at the example. Switch statements. It is multiple condition checking statements which allows us to choose only one choice among the many given choices. Switch statements, syntax. Switch expression. Case 1. Statement. Break. Case 2. Statement. Break. Default. Statement. Break. 4. Look at the example.